comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 22. Lord gosh, my shoes is always coming on my shoes. But up by Lucia's hand as usual. You know much Vlogmas will start it up by Lucia's hand, but anyway, I'm going to use the ATM. Just left the gym, obviously. And the place no parking barely in here. Place miserable. Place miserable people. Place pack up. Bare car. Oh lord. It look like so the guardsman them there the machine, you know. Like they put in money in there. The rushes too. I can't bother with them divinities here, you know. Always want to see me and they be like, when I'm ready. When I look ready. Yeah, right? What's the name? Taylor. Nice to meet you. The shopping.
Just come from a little work.
Okay, cool.
It's the whole room on the vlog.
Alright then, yeah man. Oh lord. Yeah, so I'm going over here, so hopefully I pray that them not putting stuff in the machine so I can leave out of this place quickly. It's me and Brianna at the road, me and Brianna alone. Brianna was the only one at home, so I say come and road with me, Brianna. The mommy them gone, both them business. They're so busy. I mean today's a busy day still. So around here, so yeah, so here just starting out a little business and something she Missouri too. I'm not with us. But yeah, so currently wrapping Christmas gifts, guys. Which part am they? Currently sorting out my kit because I got some new stuff, so yeah. And then wrapping going on over here, more stuff over there. I never get everything, so I have some more stuff to buy. Brianna just looking as usual. Mommy and Miss Malva come, but them going back on the road because them just love road. Exactly. Tammy is the rapper, guys. She have those wrapping currently. Those are under the tree so far. Lots more stuff supposed to go there. Yes, so on a reach from morning till night. Sweet. What you mean? What you mean by? What you mean by?
Under the tree. I mean, I saw one alone that you know, so imagine when you put phone on under there.
Watcha?
See? We don't have money now. What you want more than it for? Rather than it, no, we could do. We don't know what you do.
Oh no, rich.
We don't spend now. Look for our left one.
Them done? Yeah, them done. You know, I forgot. Yeah. I never know so then little.
A little bit of pan them?
Yeah.
So I don't enough the pan them.
It's a 3 roll my buy.
When you look at that one dolly like that. What? Hey!
Yeah, what? No, mommy, like this dolly, I would die. I'd be like, mommy, you can't buy it for me. Yo, that dolly is so. Yes!
All the guy, the money that eat them out. I don't know if you can see. It's a try me music.
It probably need battery.
Probably traffic. Mommy, I have to go the other room. Oh.
It's
really dirty. You know what?
So how was it on the road today?
Very hectic. Very. I will leave here early.
From what time?
We left here after 9. Yeah. Look like people sleep on the street side. We couldn't get any taxi, so we have to take it.
Really?
Go to halfway through.
A while ago?
No. This
Oh.
one. Why you have to put it another girl something? Give me something, Shammy.
Guys, it's that time of the night where I tell you that I have to go and edit this vlog. I have my hair up in a like pineapple. Yeah. I don't know if this vlog is going to be that long or like the normal length that like the other vlogs were, but so go, you know, tomorrow's gonna be a long day. A long day. Today was busy. Tomorrow's gonna be extra. Listen, this weekend's about to be lit though. Stay tuned. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. See, bye.
Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys, playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One warm December.